Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a saddle in ICARUS so you can ride any creature you want or need. So first of all, go to the tech tree, tier 2 and scroll about to the most right side, and here you will see ranching station. Go ahead and unlock it alongside with the basic riding saddle. Once you've crafted the ranching station, go ahead and place it outside. Press F to interact, and here you will see the basic riding saddle recipe, on which you'll need some leather, fur, and rope. Also, on the bottom you can see on which animals or creatures it can be equipped. You can go ahead and gather the resources and craft the saddle. This is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you next time.